Thank you for clicking on this video. Welcome to the Car Release TV channel. The Aventador Successor, Lamborghini's first hybrid in serial production, is nearly set to be shown. However, there is still some work to be done as seen by these pictures of the V12 supercar lying by the side of the road. The resultant photographs display the split-lamp front headlights, inform us that the turn signals are included in the lower units, and show the final design of the air intakes located below. Unfortunately, we don't get to see much of the inside, but it will undoubtedly have plenty of leather Alcantara and cutting-edge digital gauge cluster technology. Even though there were phony taillight stickers covering the actual units, we were previously aware that the rear lights would resemble water divining rods. However, it's fascinating to examine the quad tailpipe configuration up close and the design of the new LED lighting. Additionally, it seems that the V12 will be housed behind a recessed engine lid, rather of a glass or slatted cover, which might give the vehicle a counterture Diablo appearance at the rear. It is also clear that there are sizable cooling vents on each side of the engine, which are necessary to pull air from a hot engine compartment full of combustion V12 and hybrid power units. Although it's unclear at this point if the new V12 will be smaller than the 6.5 liters of the outgoing Aventador, we can fairly anticipate that even the basic model's output would be far more than the 760 horsepower, 770 PS, of the previous SVJ range topper. When even Ferrari's 296 GTB hybrid with a tiny V6 engine produces 818 horsepower, 829 PS, Lamborghini has to make a significant jump. Don't attempt to run before you can walk, however. The first task for Lamborghini will be to get the yet unnamed supercar moving at regular speeds without breaking down. Thank you for watching.